Hello everyone, let us understand a geometrical method to solve quadratic equation. Now I have considered equation x square plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. I will represent this equation as x square plus 2x is equal to 8, and I will represent each term in geometrical shape. So I will represent the first term as square. I am drawing the square. This is approximately shape. It's a square which has side length x and x units. So x into x square. So first term is completed. So next term is 2x, right? So I have to represent this as rectangular shape. So this has the side length 2 units and x units. And this will be equal to 8 unit square. We don't have exact side length of this, but we know the exact area. So that is 8 unit square. Now what I will do is I will divide this rectangular into two equal parts vertically. So I am dividing vertically into two equal parts here. So this has 1 unit and this has 1 unit. Right. Now I will combine this both the shape, the square and rectangular. So I will combine in particular manner. I will redraw the square here. This has x units and this is as x units. And I will add the first part above the square. So this is the first part, and this has 1 unit and this is x, right? This is x units, and I will add another part of the rectangular here. This has 1 unit and this has x units, and this will be equal to 8 unit square. Okay, now what I have to do is I have to complete this square. To complete the square, this is not exact square because this is the gap is here. To complete this square, I need to fill this gap. So I'm drawing this here in dotted lines. So what is the quantity of this area? The quantity of this area is 1 unit square, right? Because this is 1 and this is 1. So that is 1 unit square. 1, 1. So this is 1 into 1, 1 unit square. So this will be equal to 8 unit square. Now what I will do is I will calculate area in both the sides, LHS and RHS. Before that, I have added 1 unit square here. So I need to add 1 unit square in RHS also because to balance the equation. That's the reason I am adding here 1 unit square. This is a small part I added 1 unit square. 1 into 1 unit square, right? Now I will calculate the area of the both LHS and RHS. So I will write here x plus 1 into x plus 1, that is x plus 1 the whole square, and also the area of the square. So x plus 1 the whole square, this will be equal to 8 unit square plus 1 unit square, that is 9 unit square. So area of the total area of the RHS. Now I will solve this equation, that will be equal to x plus 1 the whole square is equal to x plus 1, that is plus or minus 3, right? And this will be equal to x, it has two solution, and x1, one's first solution is plus 3 minus 1, that will be equal to 2, and this is the first solution. And the second solution is x2 is equal to minus 3 minus 1, that is equal to minus 4, and these two solution are the solution of this equation. And this is how you can visualize the method of solving any quadratic equation. I will derive the general formula for quadratic equation. For that, I will write general form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and this is the general formula for quadratic equation. Now what I will do is I will divide the whole equation by a and send c into RHS. So that will become x square plus b by ax, that will be equal to minus c by a, right? Now I will do as earlier. So first term I will represent x square as a square. So I will draw a square here. So this has x into x plus b by a into x is a rectangular. So b by a into x, that will be equal to minus c by a unit square is the area of this square. Okay. Now what I will do, I will repeat the same procedure, right? Now I will divide this rectangular into two halves. So I have divided, and this b by 2a, and this is plus b by 2a. Now what I will do is I will combine the both the shapes. So for that I will draw once again a square here. Okay. Now this has x units and this is as x units. Now I will add first part about the square, which has this side and this b by 2a, and this is x as it is. Now I will add the other part here, and this has b by 2a and this has x. This will be equal to this square, which has the area minus c by a unit square. Okay. Now I will add this. I will complete the square. To complete the square, I need to fill this part, right? Then it will complete the square. So what is the quantity of this? This is b by 2a into b by 2a, that is b square by 4a square, right? This area is b square by 4a square. Now to balance both LHS and RHS, I need to add same quantity area in RHS. So the area is b square by 4a square. B square by 4a square. So now what I will do is I will calculate the area of this square and I will equate to total area in RHS. So that is b by 2a plus x into b by 2a plus x, that is equal to x plus b by 2a whole square, and this will be equal to what will be the area in RHS, that is minus c by a plus b square by 4a square. So minus c by a plus b square by 4a square. Okay. Now what I will do is I will simplify this. So simplifying this will be in denominator 4a square, and this is minus 4ac plus b square. Okay. Now if I take square root, what I will get? I will get plus or minus 4ac plus b square and divided by 2a, right? And Now further this will become x plus b by 2a. I will write it again here completely, plus or minus 4ac plus b square divided by 2a. Okay, now I will transfer this b by 2a in other side, and finally it will come as x is equal to b plus or minus, sorry, this is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So which is a general formula of quadratic equation. This is how you can derive, this is the one of the visualizing method to derive the quadratic equation. So thank you for watching video.